Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Gypsy Wife Life, and welcome back to another day in the life of a Gypsy housewife. In today's video, there will be some cleaning motivation, an HEB grocery haul. I'll be showing y'all one of my Christmas presents I got, and also doing a quick clothing try on. So let's get right into it. So it's New Year's Eve while I'm filming this, so I'm going to be doing some cleaning in my apartment just to get ahead of the game. That way when I wake up on New Year's, I really won't have to do too much, but relax and enjoy my day. I might do a little quick cleaning on the day of New Year's, but I feel like what I did today was good enough for me. For the next day anyway. So I'm starting off in the kitchen. I'm going to put these bottles of water away that we picked up from Walmart, and I'm also going to be wiping the inside of my icebox out. Typically when I clean my icebox out, I do a deep cleaning and I take out every drawer and shelf, but not today, y'all. I am not in the mood, so it's not happening. I'm just going to do a quick wipe down. So I'm going to take everything out. I'm going to wipe off the shelves and stuff and put everything back in there. I'm also getting rid of some leftovers from Christmas and some chicken salad I had hiding in there. We are done with all of that, so I'm going to be throwing it all in the trash today, and then after that I'm going to be cleaning out my dishwasher and reloading it with all of the dishes that I have now piling up in my sink from the leftovers.
And how they're always shining, or something cliche like ooh. Baby, I only want you. Then he said, I wrote you a love song, and I tried to make it beautiful. It's a song about your sweet, sweetheart, and how nobody can steal me away. Yeah, I am yours, 'cause I want you, and I wanted you to know. As he sang, she started to dance, grabbed his arm and took his hand. He held her close under the moonlight as they kept on dancing. And now they're singing their love song, and they sing it kind of beautiful, calling each other sweetheart. I promise nobody can get in their way or steal the show. They're in love now, and I wanted you to know.
So now I'm going to wipe off the kitchen counters quick and the stove top. It wasn't really dirty in here, but there's always a little dust or a crumb hiding somewhere, so I'm just going to go ahead and wipe off all of that and make my countertops nice and clean. I'm also going to be giving my sink a good cleaning as well.
I hear the sound of empty streets. Yesterday has gone to sleep, so all that's left is you and me. I can promise you're the only thing I see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me, and let our minds be caught up in a dream. Quiet voices in the night, time is running out of sight. A lonely wind is passing by.
So for the sink, I just squeezed some dish soap in there, and I also added in some lavender essential oils into the drains just to freshen them up a bit. I usually do baking soda and vinegar, and sometimes I add the essential oils, but I ran out of baking soda and vinegar, so the essential oils and hot water will have to do today. And after that, I'll be using my wet vac to clean the kitchen floor, and I'm also going to be wiping off the bottom cabinets because there was some food spilled on there, so we got to get rid of that because I am not trying to bring that into 2024, y'all. I honestly cannot believe how fast this year went by. I feel like we all say this every year, but this year feels like it went by so quick, and it's already 2024. It just feels crazy to me. I don't know. Am I the only one feeling that way right now?
Standing underneath the lights, we look into each other's eyes. There's no one left but you and me. It's like a made-up place that only we can see. I've been running most of my life, blowing smoke everywhere around. I've been searching, but I can't seem to find someone that can hold me through the night.
So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and use my wet vac on this area as well, and also behind the couch where the litter box is. And then I'm going to be wiping Grandpa's table off and the TV table, and then I'm going to do a little vacuuming.
Then baby hold me tight and send me off with the words of a lullaby. With the words of a lullaby. Send me off with the words of a lullaby. Try to make sense of it all, looking for signs in the stars.
My vacuum canister was so full, I can't believe I let it get that bad, but sometimes it just happens. I forget to empty it, so I'm gonna do that now, and then I'm gonna vacuum the rug in the office area. I'm gonna vacuum around the computer, and then I'm also gonna vacuum the living room rug and also the area where the front door is. I'm also gonna be using my wet vac there as well.
But if you'll stay, then baby hold me tight and send me off with the words of a lullaby. With the words of a lullaby. Send me off with the words of a lullaby. If I never see the light, I wouldn't care, 'cause I'm so perfect right here. If I never see the light, I wouldn't care, 'cause I'm so perfect right here. I'll count to 10, then open up my eyes. If you're gone, I'll take it as a sign. But if you'll stay, then baby hold me tight and send me off with the words.
Now that I'm done with all of that, I'm gonna give my bathroom a quick cleaning. I'm just gonna wipe off the mirror and then clean the countertop and the sink. I cleaned the toilet off camera, and I skipped the tub and shower today because I just wasn't feeling like cleaning it. And for the bathroom floor, I let the robot vacuum do her thing because I wasn't in the mood and I was getting hungry, so I made myself a little breakfast while she did the work.
It's a hard thing to know that your soul will stay hollow. Even if I know that nothing lasts forever, it's not easy to let go.
last night I boiled 3 eggs, 1 for my tuna and 2 for breakfast. So I'm gonna mix up my tuna quick while I'm making the breakfast. And also I made a piece of toast to go with my eggs. I've been on a boiled egg kick lately. I just love them so much with a little salt and pepper on top. They are just so delicious to me. And then next I'm gonna share a little H-E-B grocery haul with y'all.
Yes, there he goes. There he goes. All the things I wanna say, and maybe he'll listen someday. I know it is not enough to say I'm sorry.
Alright, so I got another H-E-B haul to share with y'all. I'll show you everything we got piece by piece, just giving you a quick overview. Starting over here, we got some tortilla chips because we wanted some chips with picante sauce. We already had the picante sauce, so we just got a bag of chips. Got some lactose-free milk. Got some ketchup because I'm going to be making meatloaf. Got some plain cream cheese to go with some bagels that we also got. I'll show you in a second. We got some sour cream, 2 things of broccoli. We got some diced chilies. We got 2 jars of this enchilada sauce because I'm going to be making enchiladas this week. Got some more of this oatmeal. I love the bananas and cream. It's delicious. You should try it if you haven't yet. So these are the bagels we got from the H-E-B bakery. They are the everything bagels. We got some nanas, 2 packs of chicken breast tenders, some Simply Popped butter mini popcorns, some cinnamon applesauce, a green bell pepper, an avocado for some avocado toast, tortillas for the enchiladas, some plain Greek yogurt because I'm going to be making kebabs again, and that's part of the marinade. Got a bag of this Mexican style blend cheese, got a big old thing of ground beef, and we got some sun chips in the harvest cheddar flavor. I also wanted to show y'all a Christmas gift that we got. I was a little late picking it up, but here it is now. It's actually one of my favorite presents that I got this year, and I got it from my sweet brother-in-law. It's a hot chocolate set with these 2 beautiful mugs that I love so much. It came with hot chocolate and these cute little vials filled with crushed peppermint and mini marshmallows. I have been on a hot cocoa kick this winter, so this was perfect for me. He also got us this little light up decor piece that's filled with chocolate. It's just the cutest thing to me. I love that it lights up and I can't wait to set it out next winter.
Pretty little liar who cut me deep.
I put my little cups out even though I put my hot cocoa bar away, but I am not done with the hot cocoa, honey. It is so delicious and so perfect in the wintertime. Anyways, next up I'm going to be doing a little try-on, so let's get right into it. So now it's time for the try-on. I got all of these pieces from Amazon. I'll have them all linked down below if you want to check them out. I'm starting off with this mid-length black dress. Well, it's actually black and white. It's a black dress with white accents. It's a soft cotton material. It has a drawstring in the front around the waist where you can tie it and tighten it if you need to. I love the little cutout in the chest area. I think it gives it a nice touch. And there's also 2 slits at the bottom of the dress on each side, which I love. I think it just gives it a little sexy touch. But this is very soft, very comfy, and it has pockets, so you already know that I love it. Next up is this flowy tank. It's a little longer than I expected, but I am a little bit on the short side, so I'm just going to go ahead and tuck it in. I've paired it with these black dress pants, and I'm also pairing it with this black jacket, which I think made it all come together perfectly. I love this top. I just wish it was a little bit shorter, but I don't mind tucking it in. I think it makes it look a little better on me that way anyway. And also, I'm loving this color on me, especially with the little fake tan I got going on. Then I got this super cute hot pink sweater. Y'all, it is so comfy I could live in it. The material is so soft and plush and cozy. It has a hoodie and pockets, and it's the prettiest shade of pink. It also has that little white stripe and then another shade of pink. It's so bright and vibrant and beautiful. Alright, next up, hear me out. I know it's wintertime, but y'all, I look like I am ready for my Hawaiian vacation. In this outfit, I feel like I look like the rich aunt that just came back from somewhere tropical, and I am ready to hand out all of the gifts that I bought for everyone. I'm actually loving this two-piece outfit. I didn't know how it was gonna look on me, but I am digging it. I paired it with a white tank top so that I could have the shirt unbuttoned. It looks cute tied up or just down, but I'm loving the colors and the pattern on this outfit. The shorts have pockets and it's all very comfy, and I can't wait to wear this in the summertime. Next up, I got a new pair of sweatpants. I love sweatpants. If I could live in sweatpants and yoga pants all day, every day, I would. These are super soft and comfy. They have pockets, and again, they have a drawstring in case you need to tighten up the waist a little bit. They're kind of slouchy, which I love. And the bottoms of the pants are cinched, so you can wear them down if you like, or pull them up to make them a little bit shorter. I like them down though, because I'm going to be stuffing them into my Ugg boots while it's still cold here. And then lastly, I got this pretty blue button-up shirt, and again, I feel like I look like somebody's rich aunt, which is fine by me, honey. Here I am. I love the color of this blue though. The shirt is super flowy and comfy. You can dress it up or down. I personally would wear it for more of a loungy, comfortable look with an undershirt like I have on here and maybe some jeans. This isn't my usual style, but again, I'm actually digging it. Let me know what y'all think about today's try on down below in the comments, and let me know which was your favorite piece. I also wanted to wish each and every one of you and your families a happy and blessed new year. Happy New Year, y'all. Thank you for all of the support in 2023, and I can't wait to see what 2024 is going to bring for all of us. Stay safe and God bless.